In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Dogecoin from Binance to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your funds arrive safely. Before we begin, I need to mention an important disclaimer. I am not responsible for lost funds. Always double-check wallet addresses and network selections before confirming any cryptocurrency transaction. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app or website on your device. Once you're logged in, click on Portfolio. This is where you'll find all your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, click on Deposit. This will open the deposit interface where you can receive crypto from other wallets or exchanges. In the search bar, type Doge or Dogecoin. This will filter the available cryptocurrencies. Click on Dogecoin from the search results. You'll now see the deposit options for Dogecoin. Make sure you select Doge network as your deposit network. This is crucial because sending Dogecoin on the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Now, copy the Dogecoin wallet address that appears on your screen. This is your unique Coinbase Dogecoin receiving address. Be very careful to copy the entire address without any extra spaces or missing characters. With your Coinbase address copied, it's time to switch over to Binance. Open your Binance app on your device. Once you're logged into Binance, go to Assets or Wallet. This section shows all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold on Binance. Click on Send or Withdraw. This opens the withdrawal interface. Select On-Chain Withdrawal. This means you're sending crypto to an external wallet address, which in this case is your Coinbase wallet. Choose Dogecoin or Doge from the list of available cryptocurrencies to withdraw. Now paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the address field. Make sure the entire address is pasted correctly with no extra characters. The network should auto-confirm as Doge network, but this is a critical step. Always verify that you are using the correct network. Sending Dogecoin on the wrong network will result in lost funds that cannot be recovered. Double-check that both Coinbase and Binance are set to Doge network. Next, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. You can either type in a specific amount or select the maximum available balance. Keep in mind that Binance will charge a small network fee for the withdrawal. Click Send or Withdraw to proceed. Binance will now prompt you to follow on-screen instructions for verification. This typically includes entering your two-factor authentication code, email verification code, or SMS code depending on your security settings. Complete all required verification steps. Once verified, Binance will process your withdrawal. The transaction will be sent to the Dogecoin blockchain and should arrive in your Coinbase wallet within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can track the status of your transfer in the Binance withdrawal history section. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Dogecoin from Binance to Coinbase. Remember to always verify wallet addresses and network selections before confirming any crypto transaction. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crypto guides.